Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application, and I would like to show you the way how you can hide the likes on your Instagram account. You just need to open your Instagram application, and right after that you just need to visit your profile, and please go click this three triangle on the top right corner and settings and privacy. You just need to go click it. Now the next thing you need to do is just scrolling down until you got what you see box here, and then there will be like and share counts. So you just need to go click this part. Now if you want to hide the likes on your Instagram account, you just need to turn on this section or button. You just need to go click it until the button is just changed and you're done. So that is the way how you can hide likes on Instagram, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.